Manufacturing has come a long way. We used to rely on simple tools. Now we have machines that make perfect parts. These machines are called coordinate measuring machines, or CMMs. CMMs are changing how we make things. CMMs are important for precision. They ensure that parts are made correctly. This is vital for many industries. CMMs help us build better products. What exactly are CMMs? They are advanced machines that measure things. They use a probe to check the dimensions of an object. This object can be simple or complex. CMMs don't just measure length and width, they also measure height, angles, and shapes. They create a digital model of the object. This model helps us see if the part is made correctly. CMMs work like a highly accurate robot. They use a probe to touch different points on an object. Each touch tells the CMM the location of that point. The CMM then uses math to connect these points. This creates a three-dimensional model of the object. The software compares this model to the original design. This tells us if the part is within tolerance. Quality control is crucial in manufacturing. CMMs play a vital role in this process. They ensure that every part meets the required specifications. Before CMMs, inspections were done by hand. This was slow and less accurate. CMMs provide fast and highly accurate measurements. This improves the quality of the final product. Section 5. Benefits of using CMMs. A boon for manufacturing. The use of CMMs brings numerous benefits. They increase accuracy and efficiency. They also reduce waste and improve productivity. CMMs can detect even the smallest errors. This prevents faulty parts from moving down the production line. This saves time and money for manufacturers. Section 6. CMMs in action real-world applications. CMMs are used in a wide range of industries. They are essential in aerospace, automotive, and medical manufacturing. In aerospace, CMMs inspect critical components of airplane. In the automotive industry, they ensure the precision of car parts. In medicine, they check the accuracy of implants and surgical instruments. Section 7. The future of manufacturing with CMMs. The future of CMMs is bright. They are constantly evolving. New technologies are making them even more precise and versatile. CMMs will play a key role in smart factories. They will work alongside robots and other advanced systems. This will lead to even higher levels of automation and efficiency. Section 8. Conclusion. The indispensable role of CMMs. CMMs have revolutionized manufacturing. They are essential for achieving high levels of precision and quality. Their ability to measure complex shapes with incredible accuracy has transformed how we produce goods. As technology continues to advance, CMMs will become even more important. They will continue to drive innovation and efficiency in manufacturing for many years to come. Section 9. Glossary of terms. CMM coordinate measuring machine. Probe, a sensing device used by the CMM to measure points on an object. 3D model, a digital representation of an object in 3 dimensions. Tolerance, the allowable deviation from a specified dimension. Accuracy, the degree to which a measurement conforms to the correct value. Efficiency, the ratio of output to input in a system or process.